Imagine waking up to the sound of birds singing, pulling back the curtains to reveal a peaceful mountain lake, and enjoying your morning coffee without ever leaving the comfort of your own home. Now imagine that home has the freedom to take you anywhere you want to go. One day you're parked beside a crystal clear lake. The next you're watching the sunset along the coast. And a few days later you're surrounded by towering forests deep in the mountains. That isn't just a dream anymore. It's the lifestyle offered by the incredible 2026 Tiffin Zephyr. Welcome back to Freedom on Wheels, the channel where we explore the world's most impressive luxury motorhomes and help you discover what life on the open road can truly look like. Today, we're stepping inside one of the most prestigious diesel pushers ever built. The 2026 Tiffin Zephyr isn't simply an RV. It's a luxury home on wheels, designed for travelers who expect first-class comfort wherever they go. From handcrafted interiors to advanced technology and exceptional craftsmanship, every detail has been carefully created to make every journey unforgettable. The moment the Zephyr comes into view, it immediately commands attention. Its bold front fascia, elegant body lines, premium full body paint, and striking LED lighting create an appearance that is both modern and timeless. This is a kind of motorhome that naturally turns heads whether it's parked in an exclusive RV resort or cruising down an open highway. The large panoramic windshield not only gives the coach an impressive look, but also provides outstanding visibility for the driver, allowing every scenic route to become part of the experience. Walking around the exterior, you'll notice how carefully everything has been engineered. The storage compartments are seamlessly integrated into the design, providing generous space without disrupting the clean appearance of the coach. Premium exterior finishes, polished accents, and carefully placed lighting create an upscale look from every angle. Even when parked, the Zephyr has a quiet confidence that sets it apart from ordinary motorhomes. As the entrance door opens, the luxury experience truly begins. Instead of feeling like you've entered an RV, it feels as though you stepped into a beautifully designed high-end apartment. Soft ambient lighting welcomes you inside, while rich hardwood cabinetry, elegant flooring, and premium furnishings immediately create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Every material feels solid, every surface looks refined, and every detail reflects the level of craftsmanship that Tiffin has become known for over the years. Natural light pours through the large windows, making the entire interior feel bright, spacious, and connected to the world outside. Whether you're parked beside a quiet beach or overlooking a mountain valley, the scenery becomes part of your living room. High ceilings add to the feeling of openness, while carefully chosen color palettes create an environment that feels relaxing from the moment you step inside. Moving into the main living area, comfort becomes the clear priority. The seating is designed for long evenings of relaxation after a day of exploring. Plush reclining chairs invite you to sit back with a good book or simply enjoy the changing view outside your window. The spacious sofa provides room for family and friends, making the Zephyr feel just as welcoming for entertaining as it is for peaceful nights alone. Positioned perfectly within the living space is a large entertainment system that transforms movie nights into something special. Imagine parking beneath a sky full of stars, settling into the comfortable seating, and enjoying your favorite film with surround sound while the rest of the world quietly disappears outside. Moments like these remind you that luxury isn't only about expensive materials. It's about creating experiences you'll remember for years. The thoughtful layout allows everyone to move around comfortably without feeling crowded. Wide walkways, clever furniture placement, and abundant storage all work together to create an interior that feels practical as well as beautiful. Every cabinet has been designed to maximize space while maintaining the elegant appearance that defines the Zephyr. Climate comfort is another area where this motorhome excels. Whether you're traveling through the heat of summer or the cold of winter, advanced climate control systems help maintain a pleasant indoor environment throughout the coach. Large insulated windows not only enhance the beautiful views, but also contribute to a quieter, more comfortable interior, allowing you to enjoy peaceful evenings wherever your travels take you. One of the things that makes the 2026 Tiffin Zephyr so special is the attention given to the smallest details. The cabinetry doesn't simply look beautiful. It feels expertly crafted every time you open a door or drawer. The lighting has been positioned to create a welcoming atmosphere throughout the day and evening. Premium finishes continue across every surface, creating a level of consistency that many luxury buyers appreciate. As you spend more time inside, you begin to notice how naturally everything flows together. Nothing feels out of place. Every feature has been positioned to improve everyday living, whether you're spending a weekend away or traveling across the country for months at a time. This thoughtful design transforms the Zephyr from simply being a luxury vehicle into a true home that happens to travel with you. And this is only the beginning, because as we continue through the coach, you'll discover a beautifully equipped residential kitchen, an elegant dining space, a luxurious master bedroom, a spa-inspired bathroom, cutting-edge technology, and the premium features that have made the 2026 Tiffin Zephyr one of the most desirable luxury motorhomes on the road today. As you make your way farther into the coach, the kitchen quickly becomes one of the standout spaces. It has been designed to bring the comfort and convenience of a residential home to the open road. The countertops offer plenty of workspace for preparing everything from a quick breakfast before heading out on an adventure to a full dinner after a long day of travel. The cabinetry provides generous storage for cookware, dishes, and pantry items, all while maintaining the same handcrafted finish found throughout the rest of the coach. The premium appliances make everyday cooking feel effortless. A spacious residential refrigerator gives you enough room to stock up for extended trips, reducing the need for constant grocery stops. The induction cooktop offers fast and efficient cooking, while convection microwave adds even more flexibility when preparing meals. A deep stainless steel sink and high-quality faucet complete the workspace, making cleanup just as convenient. Every detail has been thoughtfully arranged, proving that luxury doesn't have to be sacrificed simply because you're traveling. Just across in the kitchen is the dining area, where every meal becomes part of the experience. Comfortable seating, elegant finishes, and large surrounding windows create an inviting atmosphere, whether you're enjoying breakfast with the sunrise or sharing dinner while watching the colors of sunset paint the sky outside. It's easy to imagine spending hours here, not just eating, but planning your next destination, editing travel photos, or simply enjoying meaningful conversations with family and friends. For those who work remotely, this dining space easily transforms into a productive workspace. With today's connected lifestyle, many travelers choose to combine work with adventure, and the Zephyr supports that lifestyle beautifully. Imagine answering emails while overlooking a peaceful mountain range, or attending a video meeting with a breathtaking ocean view just outside your window. It's a level of freedom that very few traditional homes can offer. Moving toward the rear of the coach, you'll find a master bedroom that feels every bit as luxurious as a high-end hotel suite. The king-size bed immediately becomes a centerpiece, inviting you to relax after a day filled with exploration. Soft lighting creates a calm and peaceful atmosphere, while carefully positioned windows allow natural light to brighten the room each morning. Storage is abundant, with spacious wardrobes, overhead cabinets, and thoughtfully designed compartments providing room for clothing, personal belongings, and everything needed for long-term travel. One of the greatest challenges in many motorhomes is finding enough storage without making the space feel cramped. The Zephyr solved that problem beautifully by blending generous storage into the overall design, without sacrificing elegance or comfort. Attention to detail continues throughout the bedroom. Premium materials, quality finishes, and carefully selected fabrics all contribute to an atmosphere that encourages rest and relaxation. After spending the day exploring new destinations, this is exactly the kind of space you'll look forward to returning to each evening. Just beyond the bedroom is another impressive highlight of the coach, the bathroom. Unlike the compact bathrooms found in many smaller RVs, the Zephyr delivers a residential-style experience that immediately stands out. The spacious shower provides plenty of room to move comfortably, while premium fixtures and elegant countertops add a touch of sophistication. Beautiful cabinetry offers practical storage for toiletries and personal items, keeping everything organized without cluttering the space. The quality of craftsmanship is evident here just as much as it is throughout the rest of the coach. Every surface feels solid, every cabinet closes smoothly, and every fixture has been selected to create an experience that feels refined rather than simply functional. It's another reminder that this motorhome has been built for travelers who expect the same level of comfort they enjoy at home. Of course, luxury isn't only about appearance. Practicality plays an equally important role, and that's where the Zephyr continues to impress. Storage has been carefully integrated throughout the entire coach, making it easy to keep everything organized during extended trips. Inside, You'll find cabinets, drawers, wardrobes, and hidden compartments designed to maximize every inch of available space. Outside, the large basement storage compartments provide room for camping equipment, outdoor furniture, bicycles, tools, grills, and all the gear needed for unforgettable adventures. Whether you're traveling for a weekend getaway or living on the road full-time, having this much storage means fewer compromises and far more flexibility. It allows you to pack confidently, knowing you'll have everything you need no matter where your journey takes you. Now, let's talk about the driving experience. Because despite its impressive size, the 2026 Tiffin Zephyr has been engineered to make every mile as enjoyable as the destination itself. Built on a premium diesel platform, this luxury coach delivers smooth power, confident highway performance, and remarkable ride quality. Advanced suspension systems help absorb bumps and uneven roads, allowing both driver and passengers to travel in exceptional comfort. The driver's cockpit has been designed with long-distance travel in mind. Comfortable seating, intuitive controls, large digital displays, and excellent visibility all work together to reduce fatigue during extended journeys. Multiple camera systems provide extra confidence when changing lanes, reversing, or maneuvering through tighter spaces, making a coach of this size feel surprisingly manageable. Technology is another area where the Zephyr truly shines. Modern touchscreen controls allow you to manage lighting, climate, entertainment, and many onboard systems from one convenient location. Premium audio fills the cabin with rich sound, while multiple charging ports and smart connectivity features keep all your devices powered throughout the trip. Every system has been designed to make life on the road feel effortless, allow you to spend less time managing your motorhome and more time enjoying your adventure. One thing that really separates the Tiffin Zephyr from many competitors is its incredible attention to craftsmanship. Luxury isn't just about adding expensive materials. It's about how everything feels when you use it every single day. Open a cabinet, and you'll notice the smooth operation. Sit on the furniture, and you'll immediately appreciate the quality of the construction. Look around the interior, and you'll see a level of detail that reflects decades of experience building premium motorhomes. This commitment to quality is one of the reasons Tiffin has earned such a loyal following among experienced RV owners. Buyers aren't simply investing in a luxury vehicle. They're investing in a coach designed to provide years of reliable comfort, memorable adventures, and lasting value. So, how does the 2026 Tiffin Zephyr compare with other luxury diesel pushers on today's market? While many high-end coaches offer beautiful interiors and impressive technology, the Zephyr manages to combine elegant design, residential comfort, exceptional craftsmanship, practical functionality, and confident driving performance into one complete package. It doesn't try to impress with flashy features alone. Instead, it creates a balanced luxury experience that feels welcoming every single day. And that's what makes this coach so special. It isn't just built for vacations. It's built for a lifestyle. A lifestyle where your home travels with you, where every sunrise offers a new destination, where luxury isn't tied to one location, but follows you wherever the road leads. Now we'd love to hear from you. If money were no object, would the 2026 Tiffin Zephyr be your dream motorhome? Or is there another luxury coach that deserves a place at the top of your list? Share your thoughts in the comments below, because we genuinely love to know which motorhome you choose for your own adventures. At the end of the day, the 2026 Tiffin Zephyr represents far more than premium materials, advanced technology, or beautiful craftsmanship. It represents freedom. The freedom to wake up beside breathtaking landscapes, to travel without giving up the comforts of home, and to experience the world one unforgettable destination at a time. It's a reminder that luxury isn't measured only by what you own, but by the experiences you create and the memories you collect along the journey. Thank you for joining us today on Freedom on Wheels. We hope you enjoyed this exclusive look inside one of the most luxurious motorhomes on the road today. If you found this tour helpful or inspiring, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Freedom on Wheels, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next luxury RV tour, camper van review, or road travel adventure. Until next time, keep chasing new horizons, keep embracing the freedom of the open road, and remember, your next great adventure is always just one journey away. We'll see you in the next video here on Freedom on Wheels.